Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again, and welcome again to exercise 2 of this lesson. I'm very happy you made it up to this point. That's the good try. So let's get started without wasting a time. So we are going to do our exercise, and we already started our exercise book cover design already. So in this lesson or in this exercise, we are going to finish what we have started. So let's remove the image we have here, change the color right here to white. That is nice. So I want to select these three things here, the rectangles, and change the color to white at once. So I'll select the first one, hold my shift on the keyboard, press it down, then click on the second one, click on the third one. Have you seen all of them have been selected? I can even move it around. Have you seen? So Ctrl Z to bring it back. Then I'll change the color to white or any other color I want. So to white, that's what I want. Now I want to bring an image in. Look at this. You can go to file, go to import, or you can press Ctrl I to import, or you can just move it backwards, go to wherever your image is, then you can just drag it into Corel. Look at what I'm doing, everything. Then I'll bring it in. Now I can resize by holding my shift to have it resize evenly. Everything, all the edges are compressing at once. So I'll bring this one here. Now I want to import again, so this time around I'll use the shortcut Ctrl I on my keyboard. Now I want to bring Kwame Nkrumah in. Where are you, Kwame Nkrumah? There's it. The import. Now I'm not going to click at once because I want to specify the size, so I'll click, hold, and drag. This is what I want. Then I'll bring it inside. Now resize it well by holding the edge. Please don't come to the middle and resize it this way. It is very bad. You distort the image. Ctrl Z to go back. So hold the edge if you want it to be big. If you want it to be small, to hold the edge. If possible, hold the shift to have it evenly compressed. Thank you. Oh, so we have it here, right here. Let's position it up. Now let's right click and go to order. So back one, it is not going. We'll do it until it is gone. Okay, Control L, go to order, and then back one again. Wow. Okay, if it is not going, you can equally press Control page down. Okay, Control page down. Then it is too much, so Control page up again. Then it will come back. Okay. Then this I'm just moving it downwards. So when you want the image should go beneath something or under something, press Control page down. If you want it to be at the top of something, then you press what? Control page up. And if you want it at the bottom, then you do what? You press Control End. I'm talking about the keyboard keys. Now we have it nicely here, and this is our logo here, KSB right here. Now let's highlight this. Just this. Name to the course, then we'll bring it down a bit. Normally exercise book you see Ghana schools and note 1 on it, right? So let's do that here. Then we'll write the Ghana schools. Now let's bring this right here. Please, when you are selecting colors on your things, make sure it is visible. Okay, now let's change the color to white. Okay, that is nice. Then we can have sometimes note 1 right here. Okay, note 1. Okay, note 1. Then you can bring that one to here. Now click on the pic, bold it. You can change the font style. I like it, so let me use the Techo semi-bold. Click on it, and here I have it. Change the color to white again, then I can drag it nicely, and this should be here. Now I have all this here. I can come with my rectangle tool again, do something very small like this, then change the color to white. Remove the outline by clicking on the cross here, then click OK. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'll copy and paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, so I have it directly on it, so I'll move it to the other side. Okay, here I have it. I'll change the color to yellow. Now I'll do the same thing again, then I'll just move it to the other side. Everything what I'm doing here. So let me change this to light green, so this one should be red. This is cool. Now select the whole thing, this one, red, yellow, green. Now copy and paste again. Okay, sorry, copy and paste again. Now this is what you are going to do. Bring it down. So here you have it, something very simple like this. Okay, now let's go to page. So you have something done like this, and you're almost done with your exercise cover design, and we want to add something, but then let's remove the background, the outline color here. Something like this is cool. So please just do something very simple like this, and after you are done, convert it, highlight everything, export it to JPEG, highlight everything like this, Ctrl E to export. Okay, so the Ctrl E to export, then you just name it. Okay, name it and click on the export, so it will load and then it will be exported. After it is done, then please just copy onto your phone or Bluetooth it onto your phone and send into the group for submission. Thank you very much.